but they expire today.
How many do we have left?
There were 12.
1, 2, 3,
Now
4.
we still got 7.
6, 7.
That's good effort.
And how does it taste?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's good. And what does the wall look like?
I'm just looking at the wall. I don't know. It looks crooked. Like, to me, it feels like it sort of goes in a little bit. Is it an illusion?
I think it's an illusion because this wall kind of feel like it raised a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't being silly. So there's such good builders.
Your outfit's so good too.
There's such good builders that they build apartments with illusions. That's some tech stuff.
Good morning. That's a very good first thing to say. Going on a bit of an adventure, and it's somewhere that not many people know about.
Ooh, someone's secretive.
So it is a bit secretive, and no one in Adelaide really knows where it is, but I've done some research.
You mean nobody knows, or we don't know what it is? And probably it's back to people right now.
We'll go and find out. We've got 2 places that we're going to visit today.
Yeah, we've got 2 places.
First place is a secret place, and second is a summit, which we've been holding off this morning doing a bit of chores around the house because we've been waiting for the rain to clear. From the looks of the hills, which we can see from our bedroom window, it looks a bit better, still looks a bit misty over there. We're going to take you guys with us this morning.
I'm got a bit of croissant here.
So do you.
Sorry, I couldn't help myself.
And let's see what we find today.
Yeah, absolutely. Train tracks. Let's see how we go.
We just gave away where we're going. They don't know we're going.
We might have to cut that.
Alright, let's do it.
So we're just about to leave to the secret location. I just walked out here on the street and it's so cold. Somebody has left the aircon on upstairs and they haven't turned it off, so it's really cold. You got the goods?
4 types of beanies because I didn't know which one you wanted.
Alright.
No, you'll see how much it is.
Ah.
Found it.
This is supposed to be railway track not in use. Let's hope the signs are legit.
And we don't see any trains today. We didn't even really tell you where we are. This is Mount Barker we're in the Adelaide Hills. As Pablo said, the sign said railway not in use.
It does say not in use, so I mean, let's just trust the sign. Are you looking back? Are you paranoid? There should be a train coming this way, if anything.
I hear
it wouldn't come
noise,
from the back.
But I think it's a car.
I think there's just cars, yeah. I don't know if you can hear those ducks. Can you hear those ducks? Did you hear those ducks?
No.
Let's see if we can find them. I have no idea where they're coming from. Can't see them, I don't know where they are, but I definitely heard some ducks. I'm not going crazy.
Everything we need done, so now we've just got to bolt back to the car. Oh, I just lost my shoe. We've got to pack up now, pack up shop, go back to the car, see if we can get to location number 2.
Choo choo! impersonation of a train. We brought choo choo, chicka chicka chick. Oh, it's not gonna win a Grammy Award for the best sound impersonation, but it will do the job for now.
I had a dream about this.
Did you?
Yeah.
Kate always has dreams about things that we do. Challenge now is to have a dream before it happens.
Yeah.
No, actually.
Dream them, write it down, and see how long it takes for it to actually become true.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Now heading to Mount Barker Summit, if I'm not mistaken. It's a nice view there. I'll show you guys around.
I'm excited about it.
Alright, so we made it to Mount Lofty.
Barker.
I was going to say Mount Lofty because there's another one close by. Mount Barker Summit, so we're just going to go now and suss it out.
Check it out.
Yeah, why not? Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
It looks fake, it doesn't look real, you know, like it's just a mirage.
Doesn't look real.
No. It looks fake.
It's so beautiful. Beautiful view. Oh, look who's got a jacket now.
I found one in
I couldn't resist the cold, huh? We're just gonna follow this track here. See where it goes. It's a bit of an uphill. I think we should jog a little bit. Just to warm up.
I floated off of the ground tonight. The way you look at me just like I'm yours. Yeah.
It's like express adventuring. You gotta run through. Just do a bit of cardio at the same time.
I feel like I'm living when I'm looking at you, baby. Never felt like this before. You gave me butterflies in my tummy like you do.
I do love dogs. He's even better.
It is so fresh right now.
Which it is. Yeah, nice.
Beautiful. Look at this view. Let's have a look at where we are right now. Ah,
We're 1,680 metres above sea level.
there you go.
I wonder it's fresh up here.
New York,
Is this miles?
that way.
24 miles? Oh, I've seen another car.
24 too long, that's what it means. Mount Barker's summit. Don't disappoint. Good job.
You should get the
You
camera.
gonna go find the camera?
If you want to go that way. And every single time we just leave the camera in the car, just take the video, and every single time we're like, oh, the camera. So now I'll
Alright,
quickly go back to it.
off you go.
Okay.
Latest. I think what we should do is we should see where she goes, and I'm gonna scare her, see if I can hide somewhere. Actually, let's do that. Try not to get caught. She's turned around. Alright, she's running now. She's running. She's right there. She's right there in the car getting the stuff, so I'm gonna hide right here. I'm gonna try to scare her. She's coming. Ah!
You didn't really get me that much.
Yes, I did. Don't lie.
Do you know what I was thinking about?
What?
If I've locked the car or not. I lock it and then I walk away.
So the question is, did you lock the car?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yep. I'm backing myself.
Because I didn't hear the click.
I did.
I'm too far away, I wouldn't hear it anyway. Right, so see how it's hollow? So I don't know if she could see me. Oh, no way you saw me from there. You didn't? Oh, that's good. Good, I got you. You flinch. Didn't want to give you a heart attack.
Not done.
Just a friendly.
I was going to go like this.
Yeah, lucky you didn't knock me out with a tripod. Yeah, so we're gonna get some photos now up in the summit.
Depending on how well we go for battery, we might just sit here and enjoy it for a bit, touch back with you guys when we can.
Yeah, this battery, the GoPro right now, is running low, and I forgot the spare one at home. So what I mean by that is I haven't ordered the spare one yet. That's why I've forgotten it. Now I have to climb back up again in this beautiful path.
Extra cardio.
The storms with me. I'll be your boat on the rocky seas. I'll keep the light in the dark. Let's all laughter.
It's funny to see how the view changes right away. Now the clouds have come, the rain has started as well. A lot of clouds coming there from the northeast, making up any direction there because I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go northeast.
Which way do you think right now is Sydney?
Sydney?
Yeah, point. Which way do you think Sydney is?
That way.
Yeah, you're right actually. Where's Melbourne? Where's
Melbourne? So Sydney's there, Melbourne should be that way even more.
You're right.
Yes, I'm improving. See, when we go to the shopping centre and that, I always tend to lose my car. Well, not always, but sometimes I tend to lose my car. And she always knows where
Not with me, you
it
know.
is. So she's gifted when it comes to, what do you call it, orientation?
I have like some
She's gifted, I'm not.
unreal ability
With that.
for geographical location.
Geographically gifted, that's
Yeah.
a word. So she's
I am
geographically,
Google Maps.
she is actually Google Maps in the flesh. Just a better looking version. You want to go that way? What do you think?
So overall today, I think two really good finds, the train tracks and the Mount Barker summit. We haven't been to either of these places before. I think I like this one better though because I like hills and mountains because the view is always a lot prettier. It's just a shame about the rain. I'm so disappointed about the rain.
It makes it fun though. I love the rain. See, if I knew it was gonna rain, we would have bought some ponchos.
True.
Like we did in the Blue Mountains. So there was one time where it was gonna storm and rain in the Blue Mountains in Sydney, and it was torrential rain. Like it was raining from top to bottom, bottom to top, side to side. You know, every direction you can imagine. And it was fun. It makes it fun, you know. Of course, you gotta get home and have a nice hot shower, some hot soup, pumpkin soup preferably, just to recover, and then you're good to go. Right, so the GoPro's battery is gonna run out very soon. Hopefully we'll make it all the way through, and if we don't, well, we'll catch you later when we are at home. What is it about little dogs that they're so cranky and they always want to bite people, eh?
See, because they get trod over by the big people.
You know, my grandma used to have a dog, right? And even since he was a little pup, he always used to bite people when they would go and touch his food, you know? A dog trainer told me that the best way to stop dogs from biting you when they're puppies is not to actually smack him or take the food away. They try to bite you, but to actually pat them. So if you start patting them while they're eating and they're very... No, they're not. Like you start doing it gradually. You pat them while they're eating, and they get used to it and they know that you're not a threat to their food. So once they know that you're not a threat to their food, they don't bite you. And it's been proven, and I've seen a lot of experts around YouTube and other people that I've spoken to before, that they raise pit bulls and Rottweilers and that German Shepherds, and they're all the same thing, you know, when they're little, when they're puppies, just pat them, even though they might growl a little bit. Keep patting them, you know, and eventually they'll get used to it. Oh look, how good is it? Just listen to it.
Whoa! That's some rain.
Free car wash, everybody! Got in while they're hot.
Get in while they're hot.
Get them while they're wet.
Free car wash! Free car wash!
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is officially our first published vlog on our new channel. We are so excited and would love for you to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you can keep up to date with us and all of our adventures in South Australia. In the next vlog, Pablo and I head south to Victor Harbour to try and fly our new drone, but end up sprinting down some sand dunes and finding something very disturbing at the bottom. See you next week.